Don't you know it's gonna be alright?
Mayday, Mayday, Command Starbase. This is Gary Space. Astronaut Space Explorer. Command, I seem to have crash-landed on a distant exotic planet of some kind. It seems as if fate, my arch-nemesis and rival, has once again threw me a curveball. Judging by the dew temp and rock formations on this planet, it cannot support life, because life cannot support life. Sweet Grandor's glove. Wait a second, Command Starbase. It seems like life. Command Starbase, this is Gary Space. I seem to have made contact with an indigenous species. I feel like as if I had just looked into the eyes of a creature from another planet. Truly a spectacle to behold. As if staring deep down into the dwells of a creature. Command Starbase, I'm commencing first contact procedure. I will give the creature a verbal command of extreme difficulty. Cheese. 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 It seems as if the creature is stuck in a paralyzed state between time. Cheese.
Pieces.
Sweet Grandor's glove. Command Starbase, it seems to have communicated noise with verbal. I will commence first contact procedure 2, dropping the proton electrolyte zinc pellet. Creature from Spherical Design. We call this Pez. I do not want to know where the Pez went.
Do you need any assistance?
He startled me. Command Starbase, I seem to have disintegrated a alien of some sort. Sweet Grandor's glove. Well, it seems I have made a friend of Spherical Design. I shall befriend this creature and name it Mooncake. Judging by the smile on Mooncake's face, he seems to like his new name. Now I need to find shelter before the solar winds destroy my will to live.
Pieces.
As you push it up through the soil.